Hey, so you just got a notification from Dubsado that says something about your email token being expired. If you're like me, that's like a red alarm, huge deal. Need to fix this kind of right now sort of situation. And because your emails aren't going out, not only that, your calendar's not connected anymore and your video conferencing links aren't working either. So don't worry, I'm going to tell you how to fix that really quick. If you're currently using Dubsado or thinking of using Dubsado, you're going to want to save this video to your library or refer back to it later if your email ever gets disconnected from Dubsado, which if you're like me, you probably do that pretty frequently because you forget your passwords for your email account. So if that happens, come back to this video and watch it because you're going to want this information. All right, so who am I? In case you've never been here before, I'm Amy Gould. I'm a Dubsado systems strategist, and I've spent the last few years helping entrepreneurs to work less, make more, and wow clients using Dubsado. I decided to create this channel to share my knowledge so more people could learn how to get the most out of their Dubsado accounts. One quick note about the rest of this video. I recorded this early in the morning to help a client out who had a disconnected Dubsado email account from their Dubsado. So I was still in my workout clothes. I only recorded my screen because, workout clothes, not exactly professional, right? Then I thought, why not share this on my YouTube channel? So I'm recording this introduction to tell you about it and put my face with the video because I don't like putting videos out there where I'm not on them. So I'm just adding this on here to kind of explain why I'm not in the rest of the video. And one other quick note, if you find this content useful, please hit like and help me reach other people who might be interested in these kind of how-to videos for Dubsado or other tech tools. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future content. And if there's another topic that you'd love me to cover on this channel, please feel free to comment below or click the link in the description to leave an idea in my ClickUp form. It's pretty much the only way to make sure that I really won't miss that comment attached to the video. Okay, on to the video. Let's get started. Okay, so every once in a while, your email gets disconnected from your Dubsado account, and I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to fix that. It's pretty simple and straightforward, but there are a couple steps you want to follow in a particular order so that everything works right. So let's get into that. Here's your Dubsado account. We're going to head over to settings and click email. So if your account is already connected, you'll see it here. You're just going to click the trash can next to the account and delete it. And then you'll see this screen. Then re-log in with your correct email account. Follow the instructions of your email provider. Each option that's there is a little different. And then you should see your connected account here. Again, you want to click the tracking pixel to turn it on. And then make sure that you see a green check mark down here. So if you are using anything other than Google, there might be a few more steps to fix this. But right now I have the green check mark, so I'm good to go there. Now, if you're using Dubsado Calendar or video conferencing with your scheduler, you're going to want to do these next two steps also to make sure that everything's working and linked up correctly. So click on over to Calendar, and we're going to go to Calendar Settings and click Sync Calendar. Pick the calendar that you want to use, agree to the policy terms, all that good stuff. Sign into your Google account with Chronify. Excuse me. And any second now it's going to load. There we go. So that's all good. Now you've connected your calendar. Then come back up here to the right-hand menu, the settings menu. Click that and go to integrations. Then you're going to want to connect conferencing. Click enable conferencing. choose the calendar you want to connect it to, finish setup. Sometimes, there we go. Didn't work the first time, do it again. All right, then you are going to need to add a conferencing service. Yeah, normally Zoom doesn't show down here and you have to click add conferencing services, log into Chronify. Unfortunately, I did this video once and it didn't record, so I had to do it again and mine is showing and it's kind of tricky to actually get rid of. So, but what you would normally do is click add conferencing services and there's just a couple menus you need to approve Chronify and log into your calendar account again, and then you'll have this Chronify default and you'll have Zoom. So once that's done, you're all set. You've connected your email, your calendar, and your video conferencing, and everything should be back up and running. Hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully you found that helpful and everything is working well with your email account now. Your calendar and your video conferencing are working too. So if you found this video helpful, please hit like or leave a comment below. It helps me show up for other people who might be looking for this same type of content. And if you've been trying to DIY your Dubsado setup for a while now and you're sick of wasting time trying to piece things together from random videos, or you just want to get it done so you can work less, make more, and wow clients, click the link in the description. Click the link in the description to book a free system strategy call with me. I'd love to help you get your Dubsado up and running so you can finally get that off your plate and move on to things that are really going to help you move the needle in your business. So just click the link in the description and I'd be happy to chat with you. Have an awesome day, and until next time, work less, make more, and wow clients.